Hey, it's Hong here from Flow Brackets. Today we're going to be installing our brand new OEM Plinth delete kit for this 4th gen Lexus RX 350. Let's get started. So if your Lexus looks like this and it's got this big box on it, we've designed this new part to remove this plinth and replace it with something smaller and seamless. All we need to do now is remove this plate and box and then screw in our plinth using all the factory screws. That's it. Let's get started. So all you got to do is mount the original screws back into the original hole. So now we've installed the plinth onto the car. What we need to remember is that this is a two-part mounting system. You need to select the correct bracket to suit your plate. So in this case, we've got a slimline and we've got a slimline bracket. But if you have a heritage plate, you need to grab a heritage bracket to suit the plinth. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get started, install the bracket using the supplied screws, and we're going to screw it straight into the plinth. There you go, plate's all installed with our bracket and our OEM Plinth delete kit. The product should be live on our page now, and yeah, thanks for watching.